everyone, my name is Earl Canner Dimranas, and today we will be talking about photosynthesis, the light dependent. And Mayasha will be talking about a light description about photosynthesis. And after that, we will dive deeper to our topic, which is the light dependent.
Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy in the form of glucose. Using chlorophyll in their chloroplast, they absorb sunlight and combine carbon dioxide from the air with water from the soil, producing glucose for food and releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This process is essential for life on Earth because it provides both the oxygen we breathe in face of the food chain.
Photosynthesis can be divided into two main stages, the light-dependent reactions and the Calvin cycle. The light-dependent reactions, as the name suggests, require light. To see how they work, let's zoom in on a leaf. Leaves are made of plant cells, and inside the cells are special organelles called chloroplasts, where photosynthesis happens. Each chloroplast contains stalks of disc-shaped structures called thylakoids, which are packed with pigments like chlorophyll that absorb sunlight. Think of thylakoid as the tiny solar panel. They capture the sun's energy and start the process of turning it into a chemical energy.
Now let's zoom in on thylakoid, which these pigments are located. These pigments are arranged in clusters called photosystems. Let's start on photosystem 2. When photosystem absorb light, the electrons in chlorophyll get excited and gain energy. These high-energy electrons leave chlorophyll and get along with something called electron transport chain. But chlorophyll needs to replace its lot. This happens when water molecule H2O is split in process called photolysis, producing electrons, hydrogen ion, and oxygen gas. The electrons needs to replace its lots 1, and the hydrogen ion will be used later. The oxygen will be released in the atmosphere, the very oxygen we breathe.
In the electron transport chain, electron pumps hydrogen ions into the thylakoid, building up high concentration. The ions flow back to ATP synthase, spinning it to join phosphate to ADP and make ATP, the cell's energy. It works like a water building a turbine at a dam.
When the electron reach the end of the first electron transport chain, they arrive at photosystem 1. Here, they are re-energized by light and travel down the second, shorter electron transport chain. At the end of this chain, a molecule called NADP+ accepts the electrons, along with hydrogen ion to form NADPH. NADPH is an electron pair that transport high-energy electrons and hydrogen to the next stage of photosynthesis.
In the end, the light-dependent reactions produces two critical molecules, ATP and NADPH. These carry energy and electrons to the Calvin cycle, the second stage of the photosynthesis, where plants use them along with the carbon dioxide from the air to build sugars and other organic molecules. And that's how plants turn light energy into the chemical energy that supports almost all life on Earth.
I hope you've learned something about our video that talks about the light-dependent reaction. We all know that the light-dependent reaction uses sunlight to split water, making ATP and NADPH and oxygen. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys for listening and watching our video.